This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Heather Delamarter. Discover this pristine unfurnished annual rental featuring 2,046 square feet of modern living space. Built in 2018, this bright and airy home offers a split floor plan with 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The spacious island kitchen overlooks a large living area that is perfect for entertaining. Enjoy premium finishes, a dedicated dining room, and a 2-car garage with an inside laundry room. Located in a quiet neighborhood, you're just minutes from the street. Sebastian River and local dining. Move-in ready for those seeking a contemporary, long-term home in a great location. Room sizes subject to change. For more information, review the details below or contact Heather Delamarter at 772-321-3056.